Oh my. I wanna hold you when I'm not supposed to, when I'm lying close to someone else. Like I wanna be like most girls.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me already, my name is Stephanie, and if you guys have been here before, hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be going through my BirchBox February box. So yeah, we're about to start that. I'm gonna flip this phone around so you guys can see all the stuff that I got for my February box, and yeah, a little bit about them and all that stuff. And again, this video is not sponsored, of course. It's something that I pay for. This box is just a subscription box. You get samples in the mail for $10 a month. So you guys are interested, you guys can totally hit them up. But yeah, I'm about to show you guys what I got in my February box right now. So let's flip this camera around so you guys can see. Okay guys, so I took my BirchBox box for the February month. BirchBox box out of my packaging, and this is what the box looks like. It's really cute, and it's blue with white with a whole bunch of little hearts. And let's see what we got inside. So this is what we got inside. It just says congrats on your 10th box, you're the best. 100th box, you're the best. We're spreading the love. We hope you found tons of perfect beauty matches. And a whole bunch is just saying thank you because if this is like their 100th box that they've been doing. Then again, like always, in the back it says the brand of the products, a little bit about them, and how much the full size. So we've got an Avene hydrating rich hydrating cream, and then we got a MAC Cosmetics lip gloss in the color Oyster Girl. A Marcel, yeah, extension plus skin line mascara. The number 4 Jouer, I don't know how to say that. A smoothing balm. I believe this is for your hair. Yes, to minimize frizz. This right here. And the Wilma Schumann skincare hydrating collagen eye pads. So right here, I'm just gonna show you guys what everything is. Again, this is the MAC Oyster Girl lip gloss, and I have tried this already, you guys, because I was so tempted because I knew I was gonna get this because I did peek this time for my my upcoming box. I couldn't help myself, but I did peek and I saw that I was gonna get this MAC lip gloss, and I wanted to try these, but I just didn't know which color to buy. And oh my goodness, you guys, this lip gloss is amazing. This is in the color Oyster Girl, and it's so pretty. As you guys can see, and it's so nice. I really do like it. I will totally consider buying some more for sure. Can't believe I waited this long. And the full size for this is $17.50, just so you guys do know that. Again, the MAC lip gloss in Oyster Girl. Then I got this mascara, like I said right there, by Marcel. It's a Lastic Definition and Extreme Mascara, and the applicator looks like this. Let me see. It looks just like that. So it's like a very thin brush. So really good for like more precise lashes, and also it'll be probably pretty good for your bottom lashes. So yeah, that's what this one looks like. And again, this full size is for $15, which is not that bad for a mascara. And then this is the smoothing balm for your hair, and this smells really good actually. And I haven't tried this, but I will let you guys know in my next box what I thought about the products, so you guys do know. And yeah, this is supposed to tame frizz and unruly hair. And then the what's it called? The full size of this cost $30. And then we've got the Avene hydrating cream. The full size of this is $32, and I have tried this lotion out in my face, and it's pretty thick. It's really hydrating, and I actually do kind of like it, so that's very good. Another thing is this Wilma Schumann Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. I haven't tried these obviously because I wanted to show you guys first, you know, the whole packaging and stuff. But you're just supposed to put these underneath your eyes, and it's supposed to have collagen and all this stuff, really good for your eyes, under eyes. So I will give these a try and let you guys know if I like them. I'm pretty sure I will though, because it looks really, really good. And the full size of these are $18. So yeah, you guys, this is everything that I received in my February BirchBox box. Again, I'll let you guys know how I liked all this stuff. Again, I already tried this one and I really like it, and so is the cream. I'll let you guys know about all the other stuff. And for my January box, I did end up actually really enjoying all the products that I did receive. I think I actually talked about some of them in one of my collections videos. So either that one's already up or it will be up soon. But yeah, you guys, this is my February box. I'm sorry I'm loading this very, very late. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And again, I will show you guys my March one when I do receive my March BirchBox. Again, this subscription is a subscription. It's $10 a month. Yeah, and they just give you little samples every month. They send you a little bit of a different stuff, like a little bit of skincare stuff for your hair and makeup, as you guys have seen. And so far, I am enjoying it, and they're pretty good. So yeah, I would totally try them out if you're looking for a subscription box. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, this subscription box is $10 a month. I pay for it with my own money. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Again, since every time I do one of these influencer boxes now, I usually wait for the next video so I can tell you guys how I liked the previous boxes what's it called, products, and I really enjoyed the products from last month. So I mean, I have enjoyed pretty much every single little what's it called, products that I've received from the other one, and as well as the one I just showed you guys. I have used some of them already because I'm doing this intro and outro a little bit later than when I filmed this video. So you guys, I really liked them. I think they're so worth it for $10. I got to try out pretty cool stuff, especially that MAC lip gloss. Oh my god. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment down below with any questions. And all my social media is always linked down below in the description, so go ahead and follow me there if you guys want to. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.